In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I share the lessons that the rich teach their kids about money.
I had two fathers, a rich one and a poor one. One was highly educated and intelligent, but always struggled financially. The other would become one of the richest men in Hawaii, leaving tens of millions to his family, charities, and his church. Dad, can you tell me how to get rich?
Well, son, if you want to be rich, you have to learn to make money. Use your head.
Okay, hold it steady. It's steady, go ahead. Pouring now. It's filling up. Whoa, sparks! Almost done. Lifting. Perfect. It looks great.
That's not how you make money. Let's talk about counterfeit. Ready, boys? Mike says you want to learn to make money. Is that correct, Robert? I will teach you, but not classroom style. You work for me, I teach you. Take it or leave it. School is beginning, or it's over in 10 seconds.
Take it.
Ready, boys? Mike says you want to learn to make money. Is that correct, Robert? Use your head.